Hello and welcome to, or welcome back to, the channel of the Nasdaq scalping bot. In this channel, I show you guys the progress I make with a bot that's made in Python, my first Python program, and its meaning is to get some passive income by doing automated trading on the Nasdaq. And in a daily report, I show you guys what I changed in the code and how the bot functions and how we did on the market. And this is the daily report of Friday, so we're also going to look at the entire week. What did we do? If you want to find out what, just stay and watch. And usually we start with the changes in the code. So let's bring up the code. And if we look at the code, there is nothing changed. I did make some changes yesterday, and I also did, after the hours, bring in some more printouts to see exactly what was going on during the market. If there was an active market, I could see when the active market was good and how we should react and when the bot should pick up something. So that's the only thing that did change yesterday. And for the weekend, there are no changes planned to do. Which brings us from the code to the bot. If we look at the bot, it has a white background. After 436 candles, nothing happened. The total profit since start yesterday, 10 to 1, is 0.0, as in nothing happened in the market. And the bot had nothing to do because we had a slow market. But as usual, the bot functions, so nothing to report there. And so we can go to the market. And if we go to the market, no surprises there. If we have a bot that has a white background and there is 0.0 profit, which means that there was no action on the market. And if we look, there was a bit of action on the start of the market day. We see this climb and drop, but for the rest, today and after 4, you see nothing happened, nothing at all. So we had again a slow market, which means that we ended this week with again a slow market day, and that was the entire week. We had a slow market. If we're going to take out the reports for this week, we see we had no reaction yesterday and today. Then we had the day before, we had 2 nice profits, but in general, and let's take, we start on January 13th. We ended 10th of January at the weekend, last Friday, at 672. And now we are at 651. So we make a loss of €20 during the week. And that was all because of these small actions that we saw, that there was a outbreak sell or an outbreak buy. What outbreak? There wasn't any outbreak. So we prevented that, we corrected that so it won't be happening again. But still, yeah, we are not making any progress this week money-wise because there was no action. If we go to the market and I pick the entire week, yeah, then we had a week, no, this one, then we had a week what's going up, but this is nothing. We had this week we started with a difference of an opening of 20,828 and a closing of 21,434. So we had a 600 points rise this week, and that's rather good. It's almost 3%. but it happened so slowly that the bot could not do anything with it. But it looks like, if I see this for the last couple of weeks and the last couple of months, that we are still rising. Yeah, there's higher highs, higher lows. Yeah, there is still an uptrend, but it's getting more and more to a sideways. But we will see for the next couple of weeks. Let's go back to the 1 hour. So no luck this week, but sometimes that happens. It is the season after earnings, so a lot of companies with shares waiting to get their EPS. And if they have, then there might be a sell-off, but that will take another week or so. Then we get a sell-off if people want to change their shares from something else. I don't know, but we will see. And that was the daily report of today. And if you like it, please press like. It helps the algorithm of YouTube to find other people reacting to my channel. That would be nice. So please press like. If you do, a lot of people see the videos but don't press like. And if you like the video, then please do so. It's nothing but just a simple click down in the window and you're done. It costs nothing. It's free. It's a free click. And while you're down there and you really like it, then subscribe and you will get more. And if you want to leave a reaction to the video, please do so. I'm curious about what you guys think about the bot and how we're doing. The bot is weekdays live on Twitch, so you can see it in action. Today there wasn't any action. The bot was white the entire day. But if you want to, you can see it on Twitch, and you need the Twitch channel as described in the description. There's also a Discord server if you want to. And if you want to, you can also become a Patreon. And that was it for today. All I have to say is, have a little fun every day and have a nice weekend. See you guys back on Monday or Tuesday.